Hello, this is Shruti. Welcome to my life page. I'm going to talk about entrepreneurship today, but before that, let me introduce myself. I've done my schooling and graduation from Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Then I did my MBA from Nirma University, Ahmedabad. After that, I worked with Dell Technologies for about 25 months where I was handling their B2B business. I was an account manager and my main job was to make sure that whatever the customers required, we fulfill that satisfactorily. I like to follow the definition given by Professor Howard Stevenson, who is the godfather of entrepreneurship studies at the Harvard Business School. According to Professor Stevenson, entrepreneurship is the pursuit of opportunities, novel opportunities beyond the resources. Basically, what that means is, first word in his definition is pursuit. Pursuit means relentless focus, perseverance. Second word that he uses is opportunity. Opportunities basically in this line means novel opportunities, new opportunities. A basic idea of all these laws and policies is important before you get onto any kind of business idea. What this means is our government is working continuously to make the environment a better place for businesses to flourish and work, especially for the startups. Recently, government has come up with so many new policies which help the businesses, the startups to start with as much less constraints and restraints as possible from the government. As an entrepreneur, I like to think about entrepreneurs as somebody who is going to make new systems or somebody who is going to manage something rather than being at some stage of an organizational life cycle, that is a startup. Since we are working in a resource constrained environment, it's important for us to be persuasive, for us to be innovative, creative, and opportunistic. Another thing that I enjoy and like about being an entrepreneur is I get to meet new people, new personalities every day. Everyone comes with a different kind of a story. You get to be a part of that story. You get to learn, you get to teach at the same time. A product reseller, I like to get involved in these kinds of decisions my own self. I like to keep a tab on the products, on the kind of product lines that we have, on the kind of products that we have, and on the kinds of distinctions that these products possess. This basically means that you know when to order what stuff and you know what are the products that are moving fast, what are the products that are not moving fast, and accordingly manage it. So great part of my day goes into being innovative and creative about marketing myself, my store to the audience that I want. I am also continuously learning the new techniques to do so. Being an entrepreneur has also made me learn a great deal about boundaries. For me, these are two different entities. One is me, a person, another is the entity which is another person. For both of these to nurture, I think they are in a codependent relationship. For both of these to nurture, it is important that they are given a proper nourishment and care. Whatever time I dedicate to the store is completely for the store, but I make sure that I keep some time for my own self to make myself better, to reflect upon whatever I have done today, to improve on myself. And I like to read in those times, because what happens is in a business, it's important to have a wider horizon of perspectives. You need to look upon one single situation from different perspectives in order to be able to make the right decision, the best decision for yourself as well as for your business. For me, I think books are a way to do that. I hope I was able to give you a balanced overview about entrepreneurship. Thank you.